if you look here, you're going to see there's this little thing. It slides down, slides this way. If you look up here, when I push it, it pops, and it's got to go in that little hole there. So now I'm going to tighten this, nice and tight, and it's going to hold it up there. If you look up there, you'll see it sticking through that hole. Now down here, I've got another hole I got to get it through. So this one here, I'm going to drop down. You can see here, I'm going to drop this down. It's going to go in that hole, and I'm going to make it tighty, tighty, tight, tight. So now this side is locked in. All right? So that's what it looks like locked in. Now I got to come over here. So if you see this notch, this part right here, when I push it down, it locks in. That holds it in there. So you got a hole right here, and this one right here, we're going to slide that up into that hole. If I pull it out to the side, you'll see it pop up. You see it? That's me pushing it. It's going to go in that hole right there. And that's how you do these shutters. Pretty simple, huh? So this one's down. This one's in the down position. When I push it up, it'll go through that hole up there. And this one's in the up position. When I push it down, it's going to go through that hole. And then this right here is going to lock into this mechanism right there. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Just going to pull this over. It's a little stiff because it hasn't been used. But, all right, so I got to get this track inside of here. And there we go. Now we're in, nice and tight. Turn this and it locks it. Okay? Now I gotta move these up. I gotta find that hole up there to get it into. And if you look under here, you'll see that it's gone all the way through. And that's what we want. That's it right there, it's in. So that's locked. And we tighten that down. Now we gotta tighten that one upstairs. We gotta make sure it went in the hole. This is locked. Once that's locked up there, I gotta feel it. Oh, it's there. We're good. So now we lock that. All right, so now we've closed our accordion shutters, and that's how you do it. So you gotta make sure that you get this and this in that hole. This has gotta be closed tight. You gotta turn it, and then you gotta lock it. And so my mom's gonna stick the key in. She's gonna lock it. Bam, locked. Now you can't get in. Nobody can break in. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my other videos because my mom loves it when she's on the YouTubes. Don't you?
Yes, I love it.
What should they do? Subscribe to my videos.
Subscribe to my son's videos.
And hit like.
And hit like and send money.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that'd be good too. All right. Thanks a lot. Peace out.